Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. And I wanted to show you these plant tags that I got. And now there's 500 of these in here. And these are I believe the 1 inch by 2 inch. And I will have a link down in the description for these right here. So let me open these up here and show these to you. So we'll be right back. Okay, so these come in 5 different colors, and I just opened these up here. Now they are plastic, but they're bendable. And I really like this because, like my other tags were, they were getting old, and even new, they would just kind of snap on you, or they wouldn't fit right under the lights when you put them in like the 6-packs or something like that. And I was having issues putting them in my, like my cell packs when I would put them in the enclosed containers because nothing wanted to fit properly. So now you can write on these with pencil, and then you can erase it and reuse them. You can also use marker. Now if you're using Sharpie marker, it will come off. Sharpie marker really doesn't stay on your tags unless you use the industrial strength Sharpie markers. Then I've noticed that they stay better. So I'm going to put one of these in one of my cell packs over here and show it to you. So we'll be right back. And these are some of my Snapdragon seedlings, and you can see it just fits so nicely under there. I still have it close to the light, the seedlings, and you can push it down further if you have to. So I'm really looking forward to using these. And I think they're going to be a lot better than these kind of tags here that I was using. You can see this one here is like stuck in the light. I can't move it anywhere. I can't go anywhere with it. And like over here, this one here is like out, and it's not quite fitting right under the light. It actually pushes the lights over. So I wanted to show these to you. And I'm going to be transplanting with these today and using them and my new transplantings. And I like how these little tags just fit so nicely under the lights, because you can see here how close I have my seedlings to the lights. And with these little tags here, it's not hitting the light, it's not hindering the light or anything like that. So I actually might be ordering more of these. So I just wanted to give you this quick video on these. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. You can get updates on seedlings and how different plants are doing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!